How do you say, "Can I get a receipt" in Malay? The most common and natural way to ask for a receipt in conversational Malay is boleh minta resit, boleh minta resit, or the more casual version, boleh minta resit, boleh minta resit. Another way, which is very natural way to ask is boleh bagi resit, boleh bagi resit. Or we bring the word boleh at the end. Bagi resit boleh, bagi resit boleh. Boleh, can. Minta or minta, ask for or request. Resit, receipt. Bagi, to give.